Welcome back, guys. Today we're making a video. Basically, somebody wanted a little bit of a tutorial on some of the functions of Binance. I know my last video wasn't really, it was like I was just going quickly through it. So I'm going to make a video today, and I believe the person's using a mobile phone. So this video, I'm not going to show you the website function of it. I'll show you how to do it on the app. So there may be a few bits and bobs here that I may have to just cover because of privacy reasons. But other than that, I'll show you on some of my alt accounts that I've set up how I can do this, right? So let's get into this and I'll show you. So I'm going to record it on my phone and then I'll do an overlay so you guys could see what's going on. Right. So first app that we're going to talk about is Coinbase. Now, a lot of people want to know how do you buy stuff on Coinbase, or how do you sell stuff on Coinbase, or what do you do? So the first thing you want to do is you go to Coinbase. I mean, right now it says portfolio balance is 0. Probably someone just bought something, so I got something here. But if you want to go there, you will see that you are you press the two arrows, and on the two arrows it will show you you've got five options basically: buy, sell, convert, send, receive. Let me explain, right? So if you want to buy, you can buy with your credit card, debit card, your bank account. Bank account slightly different. The money has to already come to your GBP wallet. So that's a different story. You want to sell, so you sell it, it will go to your GBP wallet, and then you can withdraw it from there. If you go to convert, you can have any coin that you have, and you can convert it into another coin, and it will give you the quantity of that particular coin, right? So we'll do a nice little walkthrough here anyway. You want to send, you can send it to another crypto wallet. So let's go in this one. Let's just say we want to buy. I'm assuming you've already done your verification, number one, and you've already set up your payment account. So if I just go here, if you go to settings, on the settings you can see what kind of payment accounts you've got here, basically what you've got linked. So as you can see, I've got my cards linked, my credit cards linked, my debit cards linked, my bank accounts are linked, my PayPal's linked. So all of that is there and all the settings are done. I am going to cover my name so you don't really see all of that. So that's that there. So then you want to, you can be at home or you can be at portfolio. So for us, we want to be, say for example, we're doing a transfer, we're buying with a debit card. So we're going to buy with a debit card rather than do with a bank. But if you did want to do bank, you go to GBP, and from your GBP account, you say deposit, and then you will see that. So I'm going to cover all these details again, but you copy all of this and you send it to that particular bank or that account number. So that's that one. So say we're not going to do any of those. We're just going to go straight into buy. We're going to buy with debit, credit card. So I'm going to go in there, and just for the sake of it, say let's look at something. Let's see what we got here. We want to buy something, right? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. What we got? What we got? Got anything interesting here? Anything nice we might want to pick up? So actually, you know what? I'm going to just do one other thing to show you something here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to prices, right? And on prices, I'm going to look for a top loser, right? And I'm going to look for a loser that we've got that we can trade, right? So who's lost the most and who can we trade, right? So on the top losers, we can see that Maker lost about 4.8%. We can easily trade that. Link, Cosmos, the Graph, and so forth, right? There's a few of them there. So for this particular scenario, let's have a look and see what we got. Okay, for this particular scenario, what I'm going to do, because you can see here Tezos, right? So I'm just going to buy some Tezos, right? So I want to go there, you hit the trade button and it says buy. So I'm going to buy with cash, and you can see my card is already there. I don't want to pay with this card. Let me pay with another card, right? So I'm going to pay with a different card. Go there, and just for the sake of this video, let's do this, and it will tell you how much you're going to be buying. So this is how much money I'm going to be spending. This is how much I'm going to be receiving. That's the price of the coin on the top. You can see the payment method. You can see the purchase amount, Coinbase fee. They always take this fee. Their fees are kind of fixed up to a certain amount. So all of these are there. But other than that, you can see that this is what's going to happen. So I'm going to press button buy, and you will see that I'm going to receive 3.38 XTZ, right? Or whatever you want to call it. So this is me right now. It's going for whatever, doing my visa verification. So it's asking me whether this is a 3D secure, and I said, yep, get code now. So it's doing this. It's a fresh account, so this is why. It's going to send me a code. I'm going to put that code in there. Give me a second. Copy. So I've copied it. I'm going to paste it in there. and now it should be fully authorized and verified through the 3D Secure, as you can see. And as soon as it pops in, the order was submitted, view account, and I should have some more XTZ. So I've got some more XTZ in my account. Now, while I'm in this, let me show you another function. So I want to go to trade, and this time I want to convert my XTC. So I don't want to keep it in XTZ, but I want to convert it into something else. Now I can choose. So from XTZ, I can choose any. So in this case, I'm going to choose DAI, for example, right? And I'm going to say convert £5 worth into DAI. That's all I want, right? So I bought £10 worth. I got received £9, and I'm going to convert £5 worth to DAI. So you can see that how this works, right? So I'm converting it now, 0 fees, and instantly it will convert it to DAI, right? So this is how many DAIs I've got. Now you can see that my account balance is whatever, and you can see that I've got some DAI and I've got some Tezos. So that's it. Now it comes to the point where I say, okay, do you know what? I want to take some money out, right? So I want to take some money out. Now I don't know how much Ethereum does, how much they do, but let's say for Ethereum, for example, I want to go there. I want to go to my wallet and I want to sell it to GBP, right? So let's just say trade, and we want to sell it, right? It's going to give me, it's going to tell me how much, if I can sell it actually, because sometimes they do charge a fee. So they sell, so if I sell this, they'll charge me again 99p fee. But for this video, again, we're going to do this. We're going to sell, and then let's see what it does next. So we can see what the minimum amounts are. So I've successfully sold that. If you go to your account, and if you go to your GBP account, you can see that that's how much I've got. Now I want to withdraw what I've got. So let's just put whatever amount. So it says available to withdraw, balance calculation. What does this mean? Withdraw. No, I didn't understand this, right? How much do I have in here? Do I even have any money in there? Withdraw. So let's available 1920. Okay, I'm not sure how or what it's doing, but yeah, let's just put 1.67, what I could see, right? Let's preview, let's see what it says. So it says I can't withdraw to thing, I can withdraw a bank, right? So it says I can withdraw to a bank account. So I'm just going to go and withdraw to a bank account, and it says I can instantly get this, and this is going to be no fee. So I'm going to press withdraw. I don't need to show you my bank account, but what you can see is this money withdrawal was successful and my balance is 0 now. It's already gone to my account, so I'm happy with that. So that's what you can see, that I've just bought and I've just sold and I've converted as well, done all of those things in front of you. So this is Coinbase, and the next video I'm going to do is going to be regarding the Binance. So this one was Coinbase. As you can see how we went in, we saw the prices, we bought whatever we want, credit card, debit card, bank, doesn't matter. And then I said I want to sell it, and then I want to send the money off to my bank, and the money also arrived to my bank, so I don't need to show any of those things. So this is the one for Coinbase. I hope this one helps you. Part 2 is regarding Binance. Okay, so make sure to watch, like, share, and subscribe and share. And if you have anything you want me to do, put it in the comments. All right, not in the private chat. So anybody who I know, don't put it in the private chats, put it in the comments of the video, and like, subscribe, and I will basically get back to you from that, and I'll try and make videos from that. It gives me a good reminder of what I need to do and what I don't. There's so many messages out there, so many chats out there, it's hard to maintain all of them. Half the time I'm not even there, but at least here in the video I will see it and I'll do it. So yeah, until then guys, take care, look after yourself, bye bye.